Okay, just a quick one on the external shower. So on the back here, each one of the trailers has these. So we'll undo the R-clip. I'll flick up the little catch there, drop that down. Safest place for the R-clip is back into there. And then we supply the shower rose and hose there. This one in particular has got the washer. We've cable tied it to here, so when you go to use it, sorry, that's a spare washer, but there's a washer inside there. But you're just mindful it's always there. And then we'll just put that on. I'll just try and do that without seeing. Screw that into place there. A little bit fiddly at first to get that. As you can see, that's in posi there now. Once I've got the hot water and that turned on, I can just use the standard taps as normal as if you were using the shower inside, hot and cold water. With the shower rose, and the one inside is exactly the same. This slide control here is not an on-off of the shower at all. That is a flow control of the water flowing through the head of the shower. So if you turn that in, assumedly the off position, and you've still got water coming out, it's not deserved of a phone call to say that it's not working correctly. It is just a flow control. That's all that's for. All your water is controlled from your taps here.